Nice day out today, Monday. Bit breezy coming into the cold season. Autumn, one of my favourite seasons. I was going to say month there. Today I'm just out here taking some photos, trying to capture all the orange of the leaves and kind of just taking advantage of the season we're in right now, because it's not going to last forever. And it'll be soon when all the trees will have no leaves and everything will look bare and depressing. I don't really have a goal today. It's just kind of getting out there and see what the world has to offer today. What will come across my tracks. A picture already. Oh, right, if I just get camera out. Right, I'm shooting on a 85 today. I can't really get this shot on camera, but there it is there. I do miss creating these videos. They're very easy for me. I just whack a camera on my chest and go around what I usually do, just taking photos. It's very relaxing going out here in the morning. It's 11 o'clock right now. There's no one really out. The roads are quite calm, not many cars on them. And yeah, it's just really relaxing. Just taking photos. At an ease, go home and edit them, you know. It's what I like to do. And now you have a perspective on what I do, which is cool. And hopefully it'll encourage you to go get a camera and go take photos, because it's very therapeutic. I don't really like that photo. Actually, this would be an alright spot to get some car photos. Like that one. And the zoom on this is great, because the old lens I had was a 35mm, which would only really take photos of that bush. But with this one I can zoom in really far, which gives me a lot of more accessibility to take photos closer. See, like this, you can take a photo right up like that. Oh, I might do a cheeky left or right. Jesus, I'm so bad with my directions. Whoa, blast. Oh Jesus, I wouldn't want to jump in there, man. I don't know if you can see, but fucking beautiful, man. I never see any people in this garden, but I do know that you can go underneath this road here, and up there is the front garden, or the other part of the garden. It's crazy. Oh my god, that'd be a deadly photo actually. Look at that. Just got like that. Use the tree there for some framing. Whoa, that's now do you see what I mean with the zooming? So look, I'll take a photo real quick. This is just the minimum weight. What's this? This is 55mm. This is like my old camera, the max of it. Now this is the max zoom on this camera. You see what I mean? It's just so much better, like. But at the end of the day, it's not what camera you have, it's how you use it. Look at that! Whoa! Round windows. If I ever got a house, I'll have round windows. I'll have very curved like walls and all that, kind of like it's encaving you in, so it's not like a square box, it's more of a round room. I think it's really welcoming and it like kind of gives you a hug, kind of. Ooh, sexy car. So just line this up real quick. Ew, that's like a car commercial. And this one, oh, that's very nice. There's another one, Qashqai. Oh, not bad. Now, that would wake you up quicker than any coffee. Just want to pull in here and get a picture of that view. Nice. Very nice. Look at that first shot. right there. Oh god, like a normal house in such a unique area. Oh, look at that, that's deadly. Not really liking it, but I'll take it anyway. There's a castle up there, I don't know if you can see it, but cool castle. Because this is a straight road, there's no curves, so I'll have a bit of time to take a picture. Shit like that you'd be thinking when you're taking pictures, you know. Shit car, but good photo. Oh yeah. Oh, white Land Rover, white house, this is gonna be perfect. Oh, look at that sexy car, man. I would love one of them Land Rovers. And then, like just any 4x4 to be honest. Do it up, because I love details and stuff. And then, like, fuck off into the wilderness or something. And just live my life out there, to be honest. Fuck the city, to be honest, I don't really. But I do like that picture. I'll tell you that. Great opportunity to take some photos. Oh my god, look at that view. Look at this, this is beautiful. This is like a postcard. Like, amazing. I think the end house there, that's, I've been here before. That end house is the most expensive terraced house in Ireland. It goes for like 20 billion or something. I'll look it up here. Here's the actual price, but so much photos here. There's houses. That looks like a unique house. One over there. New house. You got the little waves and all that, and the water. Very beautiful day out. Let's take some pictures. But bam, bam, bam. Just taking it all in. I've moved about 10 foot down the hill just to get another angle, because as you move different angles around the subject, things start to shift and change, and you know, like the photo up there is going to be different to the photo down here. Pretty much, like, it's a bit common sense really, but if you don't know, now you know. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to be buying a new camera now soon, because the one I have now is like glitching on me. It's like falling apart. See what I mean? Like, look at that. Beautiful. That's a nice picture. Oh, I hear a train. Oh. That is an absolutely stunning photo. What the fuck? The bikes are good, but the chains are not. My hands are nice and greasy. But as I'm on my feet, I might as well take some photos. Fucking chilling, man. Might actually take a photo of the bike, to be honest, why not? Haven't been down here before. What? Oh no, I have. This is like a little shortcut, but not the way I want to go. Oh well, going with the flow. Bro, what the fuck? You seeing that, man? You actually seeing that, bro? Beautiful. What's up here? This looks interesting. Tops. Nice. Might as well do it while I'm still young. Won't be able to do that when I'm 60. Oh, look at that. Actually beautiful. I feel like a sniper sometimes when I'm taking pictures. Being real secretive. I love doing activities that just get me away from my phone. I've been doing that the last while and I've noticed with myself it's great because I'm more present, I'm more in the moment than, you know, getting distracted with my phone. Like if anyone needs me, just call me. But I don't need to take pictures, I don't need to scroll for ideas. The ideas come within me. Yeah, it's just more organic and raw and just more natural, you know. And it's absolutely great. Like I'm starting to like pick up more details than I would usually in real life without my phone. So yeah, I have nothing good to say about the phone today. It is a useful tool, but it's not for pleasure, innit? Like it's good to look up things and have a little handy device in my pocket that I can just look up, like what species is this plant? What type of rock am I standing on? And then next minute I'm shopping for shoes or something, like, you know what I mean? Like, this is really peaceful. Hello. So cool. There's that lad, I passed him earlier. I don't know if I have it on camera, but that's funny. The thing about being a photographer, we all have our own styles and all that, but I get to find, like, you get really used to the cars and the models and all that when you're out, because you just see, like, there's cars everywhere, you know. That's just crazy, like, observe, but sometimes it gets at you. It's a nice photo. I think there's a little handle here. You just put your hand on it and you can just lift the bike up. So it's not that bad. That is actually a beautiful photo, man. This house has like loads of curves on it, around the corners, and it just looks real homey. Like it doesn't look like a house, it looks like a home. Oh my god, look at that, it's beautiful. Can I get a cool car? I got two. Trees and all, really long, tall trees. You can see the branches. That's how tall they are. And my idea here is to get a cool car coming around the corner. And I don't know, I honestly see a really, really good photo here. Probably like the best photo today so far. So I will just sit here on this little rock and I will wait like I'm going fishing, but for a picture. It's mad, like in 10 years time I won't be even, like I can actually hear the car coming around the corner, but in 10 years time it probably won't, because everything will be electric. Oh, look at that car, that looks sick. Oh man, that was so cool. Look at that, yo, that's deadly. That's fucking sick, that yoke, man. That was probably the coolest car I've seen today. It just showed up at the right moment. Like, come on, tell me that like wasn't that coincidence. Like, hey, I just saw something. It looks like this wall is telling me something. Doesn't that look like I should like break this wall and like show me something on the other side? What is on the other side? The house. Ew, I just got shit all over me. Ew, that's fucking disgusting. Someone had a shit on the wall, man. Ew, that's fucking mank, man. Ew, maybe that wall is telling me something to stay the fuck away from that, man. Ew. I hope it's not shit, man. I hope it's ice cream. Please be ice cream on the wall. Oh, my camera's gonna die as well, man. It's so shit. Although the good does come with the bad now, I have to say. Like when something good happens, something bad happens. And I got a good photo of the car and then I got shit on me. You have to take the good with the bad, guys. Have to say that. this is the end of the video, so I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it, because I enjoyed it very much. So probably won't see me again if you're not subscribed, so subscribe if you like my content. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, but it's not my goal. I just honestly just love making content and just love making videos and putting them out in the world for my own pleasure. And that's all it. So you have a wonderful day, and so will I. Thank you.